What if I told you there was someone who loved you before you were even born? The Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, was not just a messenger, he was a beacon of unwavering compassion. Aisha once shared how she asked the Prophet to pray for her. Aisha narrates, once when I saw the Prophet in a good mood, I said to him, "O Messenger of Allah, supplicate to Allah for me." So he said, "O Allah, forgive Aisha her past sins and her future sins, the sins which she has hidden and the sins which have been made apparent." So I began smiling to the point that my head fell into the lap of the Messenger of Allah out of joy. The Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said to me, "Does my supplication make you happy?" I replied, "And how can your supplication not make me happy?" The Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, then said, "By Allah, it is the supplication that I make for my Ummah in every prayer." Then he revealed something incredible. The Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "I wish I could meet my brothers." The Prophet's companions said, "Are we not your brothers?" The Prophet said, "You are my companions, but my brothers are those who have faith in me, although they never saw me." He longed to meet us, calling us his brothers and sisters who believe without having seen him. This profound love and compassion is the legacy he left for us. Please subscribe and press on like in order to support us on our quest to bring more inspirational content to you. Thank you.